Hey, welcome back, fam. Or if you're here for the first time, welcome to the channel where we talk about everything from credit to travel to owning assets to help you be able to travel and making travel easier and not harder. All right. So if this is your first time and you get value out of this video, hit the like, subscribe button, drop a comment, and also hit a notification so you can get more information just like this. Today, we're going to be diving into the world of credit card rewards, explain the different types of points that you can earn, and helping you decide which ones might be the best fit for you. Credit card rewards are an incentive that's provided to credit card issuers to encourage you to be able to use their cards for purchases. These rewards can be in the form of cash back or points redeemed for free flights and free hotel stays, which we love. That is the biggest thing that we love is free flights and free hotel stays. So essentially, it's a reward system for choosing to use their credit card over other cards. So we got to play the game. If we want to be able to travel for free and enjoy these perks, we got to play the game. This is the game and this is how it's played. So I'm going to go ahead and teach you a little bit about that right now. Many travel cards come with sign-on bonuses, like the American Express that gives out $150,000 on their American Express Platinum from time to time. Definitely look out for that one. Also, their Gold card, I've seen it go up to 80,000 points, and there's a lot of other ones. So sign-on bonuses are huge, and you can get a lot of points from them. There's also some cards. Let's actually dive into it a little bit. There are some cards that will offer you, say, 80,000 points, like the American Express Gold, after you spend $3,000 in your first 3 months. And then there'll be others like the American Express we talked about for 150,000 points, but you have to spend, say, $6,000 in the first $6,000 to $8,000 in the first 6 months. So specifics vary from card to card, and sign-up bonuses sign-up bonuses do go up and down in the amount. So it's important that you keep your eye on the deal and finding out when the best time to be able to apply for those cards are. Beyond the initial sign-up bonuses, though, these cards continue to reward you for spending, often varying rates depending on the purchases and the category of the purchase. So you might earn multiple points per dollar spending money on dining or travel, and a different rate on general purchases. So the idea is to maximize your rewards by selecting the card that offers the most points for the type of purchases you're making often. So if you're doing a lot of grocery shopping, you're going to want to get the particular card that has the maximum amount for grocery shopping. I found the Discover card can be really good for grocery shopping from time to time. You can also find that the Gold card, American Express Gold card, has great rewards. So knowing which cards fit you for which category is also going to be important. So when starting out, some of the key questions is, which credit card should you choose, right? And the answer to that is, we're going to explore two main types of travel rewards. The first type of reward we're going to explore is included to tying into points to specific airlines or hotels, like United for airlines or Marriott for hotels, where points are redeemed only within that brand. So the second type is flexible points. Offer much of the greatest versatility. These points can be transferred to a variety of different airlines and hotel loyalty programs, giving you a much broader range of options when you're redeeming your rewards. The major players in the flexible reward space is Citi, thank you points, American Express membership rewards, Chase with the ultimate rewards, and then Capital One with its reward miles, The built with the built rewards. Those are the major players. So we want to get to really familiar with those particular players. Each of the issuers has its own unique set of transfer partners, ranging from airlines like Emirates and Qatar to hotels like Marriott and Hyatt. In our next video, we will break down that as well. So stay tuned to the next video where we break down which cards work with which airlines and which hotels for your best savings. But choosing the right card depends on the sign-up bonus. The earning potential for spending habits and the type of points it offers. So flexible points are generally more valuable because of their transferability, allowing you to choose from a wide array of redemption options. To decide which card is right for you, consider your travel goals and what preferences you have. Think about whether you travel mostly domestically or do you travel a lot internationally. If there are specific airlines or hotels that fit your needs, for myself, I travel a lot domestically for work, and I will use the Marriott, and the Marriott Bonvoy card works really well for me. And it gives me a free night stay after I stay a certain amount of time. So that's something to consider and something to look into if that's something like yourself. So if the specific airlines or hotels fit your needs, then what kind of trips are you going to be planning for your future? Your answer to these questions will guide you towards the card that best matches your lifestyle and your travel aspirations. I'll be diving a little bit deeper into the travel reward cards in some of my next videos, but breaking down some of the benefits of each to help you make a more informed decision and some softwares you can use as well. But thank you for stopping by. That explains a little bit about the rewards programs and the flexibilities and some different cards that you can actually take advantage of and the major players in this particular arena. Now, if you're looking to get qualified for some of these cards, feel free to book a free consultation with us. That is what we also do. We help you be able to get qualified for certain cards. This will allow you to be able to travel for free, be able to stay at accommodations for free or at a discounted rate. And it's completely free. We like to be able to just help and serve if it's something that we can help you with over a phone call, or if you want to join our coaching program, we also offer that service to be able to get you to the next level. And for watching this video, we are giving you our VIP access to our school community. So thank you for watching all the way through. If you want to learn more about travel, you want to learn more about finances, or you want to learn more about acquiring assets, join our community with like-minded individuals where we go in depth and we talk about strategy and how we can all grow as human beings and become free. So once again, thanks for stopping by. See you on the next video. Peace.